Hello friends, today we will study about the efficiency. How the efficiency depend upon the loading condition, different loading condition and the power factor. So this can be elaborated from this given problem. So from this we can understand or we can study that how the problem can be how the efficiency can be find out for different load, that is different load means the full load, half load, 75% of full load, and this is also for at different power factor, that is 0.8 power factor, unity power factor, unity power factor. Means our efficiency majorly depend upon the different loading conditions and power factors. So see, given problem, our transformer is a 20 kVA transformer and it is step down transformer. That is the primary voltage is 1000 and secondary voltage is 400 volt. It has the 50 hertz transformer and it is a single phase transformer. And for given transformer, the iron losses are the 300 watt and the full load copper loss are the 500 watt. See here, the iron loss and the here particularly mentioned that the full load copper loss, because that iron loss remains constant for all over loads, and but copper loss are the variable loss. Therefore they are particularly mentioned that this copper loss 500 watt are at only full load, means they can vary for another loads, that half load there is another there is different value. So in this problem we have to calculate the efficiency at first condition full load at 0.8 power factor lagging, second efficiency at half of load at unity power factor, and third 75% of full load at unity power factor. So first efficiency, first we will see the formula of efficiency. What is the formula of efficiency? Is that efficiency of a transformer is equal to output, it is the ratio of output power to the input power. Input power can be written as output power plus losses, that losses are copper loss and iron loss, because in case of the transformer there are the only two losses, that is the copper loss and the iron loss. Iron loss are the constant losses and copper loss are the variable losses. This varies as load changes. So this can be written in the form of the kVA value. This is output power can be written as kVA, means this is the rating of transformer, into power factor into 10 to the power 3. Why we will take the 10 to the power 3? Because the transformer is rated in the kVA, divided by this is same also output power plus copper loss and iron loss. So here first we will see the full load, we will find out the efficiency at full load and at 0.8 power factor. So from this formula, the kVA in given transformer, kVA is the 20 kVA transformer, and it is efficiency is calculated at 0.8 power factor. Therefore here we get the 0.8 power factor and into 10 to the power 3, because this kVA rating is given in the 20 kVA. Therefore and 500 is the copper loss and the iron loss is the 300. If you calculate, then we will get the 95.23 percentage of efficiency. This is the efficiency at full load at 0.8 power factor. Next, here second part, here we will find out the efficiency at half of full load and at unity power factor. Therefore the formula for half of full, it changes that it will change this formula changes, as follows. Here 1 by 2 multiplication of the 1 by 2 into kVA into power factor into 10 to the power 3 divided by same output power 1 by 2 into kVA into power factor into 10 to the power 3, plus the copper losses also variable losses, means this losses also varies as load changes. The load is decreases to the half of load, therefore 1 by 2. But here we will take the square of this loading, because the copper loss is dependent upon the square of the current. Therefore 1 here we will take the square, means 1 by 2 square into copper loss plus iron loss, and iron loss remains same, and into 100. So put the values, that is 1 by 2 into kVA. What is the kVA of the transformer? This is the 20 kVA of transformer. Here we have to find out the efficiency at unity, therefore 1, and transformer is rated in a kVA, therefore it is multiplied by 10 to the power 3. Same, 1 by 2 into 20 into 1 into 10 to the power 3. This is bracket close. So here 1 by 4 into copper loss. Copper loss is 500 watt plus iron loss is 300 watt into 100. So this can be calculated in a calci. First calculate the numerator, that 1 by 2 is 0.5 into 20 into 1 into 10 to the power 3. Here we will get the 10,000 output power divided by same this output power, therefore we will take the answer, plus that is the 1 by 4, 500 by 1 by 4. 4 plus iron loss 300 bracket close. Here we will get the efficiency, that is the 95.92%. This is the efficiency of transformer at half of load and at unity power factor. Next, here we will see the we will find the efficiency of a transformer at 75% of full load and unity power factor. So what is the 75% of full load? Here we have to convert into the factor. That is how we can convert the, here we have to find out the efficiency at 75% of full load at unity power factor. 75% of full load. So here take the efficiency at a 75% of full load. Therefore same formula, how the formula will be changes from half load to the 75% of load. Here multiply 75% means divided by 100 into kVA into power factor into 10 to the power 3 divided by same 75% means 75 by 100 into kVA rating into power factor into 10 to the power 3 plus now copper loss also varies. Here for half load 1 by 2 square into copper loss. Here we have to find out the copper loss at a 75% of load. Therefore 75 divided by 100 means this is the 75%. It's square because the copper loss depends upon the square of the current. Therefore this factor also get the square into copper loss plus iron loss into 100. So put the values of this 75 by 100 into kVA, 20 kVA transformer at unity power factor 10 to the power 3. Here 10 to the power 3 is given because this 20 is given in a 20 is rating of the transformer is a kVA. Same value 75 by 100 into 20 into 1 into 10 to the power 3 plus 7500 square into copper loss is a 500 watt plus iron loss is a 300 watt and into 100. If we will calculate on the calci, how we can calculate on the calci, this is 75 by 100 into 20 kVA unit power factor 10 to the power 3. Here we will get the 15,000 divided by same answer is same, this 15,000 plus copper loss. Here take the bracket that is the another bracket, that is 75 by 100 square bracket close plus iron loss 300. So here we will get, by multiplying 100 we will get the efficiency, that is the 98.03%. Means our transformer efficiency varies as load varies and power factor wise. For full load and 0.8 power factor, we will get the 95.23 efficiency. For half of load and the unity power factor, we will get the efficiency that is 95.92. And for 75% of full load efficiency, we will get the 98.03. From above, we understand that the efficiency at a full load is, that is S in kVA into power factor into 10 to the power 3 upon S into power factor into 10 to the power 3. This is output power plus copper loss plus iron loss. This is the formula for efficiency at a full load. But as we have to find out the efficiency at X of full load. X of full load. Then how the formula will be changed? That is X of full load. X of full load is equal to X multiplied to the ES into power factor into 100. This formula changes as X into ES into power factor into 10 to the power 3 plus, for copper loss also varies, that is the square of this factor into power factor plus iron loss into 100. Means this efficiency formula changes, that factor is multiplied by kVA rating and the square of factor is multiplied by copper loss. So this is the problem. Thank you.